In this video, I'll show you how to change the background color of the announcement bar in Shopify Dawn theme. As you can see in this example, the color of the announcement bar is gray, but I would like to change it to yellow. And to achieve this result, I'll be adding the CSS rule. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account and then click on the online store. Then locate Dawn theme, in my case it's version 15.2.0, and then select customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, make sure the home page is selected. And then on the left, click on the announcement bar. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and then select custom CSS. We'll be adding the CSS rule right in here, but at first let me go back to my site and get the class selector for the announcement bar. Let's right click on it and then select inspect. And to make it a bit simpler, I'll be just targeting this class selector, which is utility-bar. Now let me go back to my editor and let's type the CSS rule right in here. Type a period, utility-bar, open left and right curly braces. Make sure the cursor is in between the brackets and then press enter. On the next line, type background-color, colon space, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Now let's select the yellow color. Let me pick this one and then copy the hex code for it, including the hashtag. Let's go back to the editor and then paste it right in here. And also make sure the semicolon is added at the end. And as you can notice, the announcement bar color was changed to yellow, but you can pick whichever color you like. Once done, just save the changes. Then go back to your site and then just refresh the page. And here's the updated background color. And that's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.